So guys, now let's start with the 7 characters selected by Mendel. So the 7 characters which were selected by Mendel: first stem height, second flower color, third flower position, fourth pod shape, fifth pod color, sixth seed shape, seventh seed color, and they have their dominant and recessive characters. For stem height, it is tall and dwarf. For flower color, it's violet and white. For flower position, it's eggshell and terminal. For pod shape, it's inflated and constricted. For pod color, it's green and yellow. For seed shape, it's round and wrinkled. And for seed color, it's yellow and green. So now let's start with monohybrid cross. We'll take first character, which is stem height. So now we take the parents, one which is homozygous dominant tall and one which is homozygous recessive dwarf. Now we'll do a crossing over between these two. First we'll take out the gametes from these. So from the homozygous dominant tall, the gamete is capital T, whereas in homozygous recessive dwarf, the gamete is small t. So the first filial generation, which is crossing over between these two gametes, we get heterozygous tall, which is capital T and small t. Now we'll do the selfing of these heterozygous tall, that is capital T and small t. So the gametes here which will be formed will be capital T, small t, same here capital T, small t. So here in second generation we will prepare a Punnett square. So the female will have capital T, small t, and the male will have capital T, small t, and same in female it will have capital T and small t. When we'll see here, then the capital T and small capital T here will get first child as tall, second capital T and small t, here it will be heterozygous tall, small t and capital T heterozygous tall, and small t and small t it will be dwarf. So here the monohybrid cross mein phenotypic ratio will be 3:1, as 3 will be tall and 1 will be dwarf. Here phenotypic ratio means which is actually seen from outside, which is the appearance, whereas in monohybrid genotypic ratio, the ratio will be 1:2:1. 1 means which will be homozygous tall, 2 is for heterozygous tall, and 1 is for homozygous dwarf. So you can see here the whole actually the monohybrid cross for stem height. Now I'll show you all the monohybrid cross of all other 6 characters. The above one is the monohybrid cross of flower color. Second, then down one is the flower position, and the Punnett square is continued in the next page. Here is the Punnett square. Then the fourth one, pod shape. Here is the complete monohybrid cross. Then fifth, pod color. This is the monohybrid cross of pod color. Then sixth is the seed shape. Then the Punnett square is here, and then comes the seed color, which is the last thing. Thank you.